Hello, guys. Welcome to our evening live trading session. So this is the session where I teach the newbies, on how to start trading the forex market profitably. So my name is Leo, and I remain your guide. Okay, so for those of us that are just joining, for those that are just joining for the first time, you want to start trading the forex market, and you are here today. Lucky you, I'm going to be repeating the whole thing from the beginning. Okay, from the get-go, from the number one, what you need to know. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the definition of forex and how you can start trading the forex market. Okay, so I'm going to teach you until you get to the point where you can start analyzing the market yourself. All right, so um I'll tell you what you need right now. Okay, so you need two things right now before you can learn forex. If you want to learn forex and you are here right now, you need two things. And those two things, number one is you need a pen. Okay, and the second one, you need a book, a jotter, where you can jot everything that I'm saying, where you can jot them down. Those are the two things that you need right now. Okay, so if I were you, I'll get them ready. All right, all right. So what is forex? Let's start with the definition of forex and how they are traded. Okay, so forex um, is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. Okay, so forex means foreign exchange. If you see, people saying forex, or FX, okay, some will shorten it to even FX. So what they mean is foreign exchange. And what is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is, trading one currency um, for another. Okay, so the example of foreign exchange is if you want to visit another country, okay, maybe you want to go to another country for leisure, whatever, you know, you want to exchange your country currency, that is your local country currency, to the country, to the currency of the country you are visiting. Okay, so the process in exchanging that currency, that is, take for example your Nigerian naira right now. You want to visit Canada, okay? You want to visit Canada, then you want to exchange your Nigerian naira to Canadian dollar, because obviously you can't spend your Nigerian naira in Canada. It's not possible. So the process in which you exchange your Nigerian naira to the Canadian dollar, that process is what it's called forex. Okay, and in the forex market, there are two things involved. Okay, there are two things involved, and the two things that are involved is currencies. Okay, there are two currencies involved. If you want to trade the forex market, you need two currencies so they can be traded. Okay, so let me show you this screen that is better. So if you want to trade the the forex, there are two things involved, and the two things involved are the currencies. All right. Sorry, guys, just a second, please. Just a second. Okay. So, like I said, if you want to trade the financial market, that is the forex, there are two currencies involved. Okay. So, example is this. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. You see, we have these currencies. Okay, we have these currencies, and if you look closely, they are paired. Okay, so what I mean by pair is, when something is two, we say it is a pair. Okay, like a pair of shoe. You have two shoe. Okay, that means because you have two legs, so definitely your shoe is going to be two. So that means you are wearing a pair of shoe, isn't it? So in forex also, we have pair of currencies. Okay, currencies are paired together before they can be traded. So let's go back to the example I made earlier, where I said you need your Nigerian naira. You want to exchange your Nigerian naira to Canadian dollar. Okay, so there's Nigerian naira involved and there's Canadian dollar involved. Okay, so that means you are trading them in pairs. So now, um, how do you now make money? Okay, how do you make money from this forex? As a forex trader, how do you make money? How do you want to start making money from forex? Okay, it is very easy. You make money in forex by speculating on the currency pairs. Okay, you are speculating on the movement of the currency pairs. So take for example, look at this chart right here. Let me show you quickly. So look at this right here. Look at all of this right here. So let me get a clean chart, okay? A clean chart that is not yeah. So look at this. You see, these are movement on the charts. Okay, these are movements on the chart, and these are what we are speculating on. Okay, you are either speculating on the movement to the top side or you are speculating on the movement to the downside. Okay, so the speculation is what is called is how you make money in the forex market. Okay, that is how you make your own money in the forex market. It's either the market is going up and you are buying, or the market is going down and you are selling. Okay, it's very easy. And then how do you know when the market is going to go up or it will go down? How do you know this? That is when you make your technical analysis. Okay, in forex there's what we call the technical analysis, but don't worry, we will get there. Okay, so I just want to make sure that we take this step by step. We take it from that particular place where it needs to be taken from. Okay, so that you get along as we move further. So now we have, sorry guys, just a minute. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so sorry about that. Now, in the forex market, like I said, forex is traded. They are traded in pairs. Okay, you need two currencies before you can trade the financial market. Okay, so I don't want to go into too much, talking. So I believe we are all here, to start making money, isn't it? Okay, and that is what we are going to be doing today. Okay, that is what we are going to be doing. So we will be looking at, how you can start trading on your own trading account. All right, without having to, just hear the talking part. So now, just a moment, just a moment. Okay, so talking about currency, still talking about currencies in the forex market. Remember I said currencies are traded in pairs, right? It has to be two. Now, these two, there's a reason why it is two. Okay, and there's always the first one that there's always a pair that comes first. Okay, and then there's the second one that goes the second. Okay, that is the second. Now look at this. Take this. Okay, let me use a popular pair for example. Let me use a popular pair, something we are all familiar with. So let's use this for example. You see, we have GBP USD. Okay, so I hope we all know what GBP is. This is Great British Pounds. Okay, and US dollars. Those are pair compared together. Okay, the GBP and the USD compared together. Okay. Now, our GBP here is our base currency. Okay, we call the first currency the base currency, while the second currency is known as the quote currency. Okay, you might want to jot this down. It's very important. Okay, so anywhere you see a pair associated together, okay, or compared together, the first one is always the base pair, the base currency, while the second one is always the quote currency. Okay, so what this simply means is that, let's look at our numbers right here. You see, here we have, let me show you this. So I want you to look at the number on GBP USD. Okay, so on GBP USD we have 1.256 right now. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. Okay, 1.25, that is the base currency. This is the amount of dollars you need, okay, for you to get 1 GBP. The numbers you are seeing here, they are for the quote currencies. Okay, so look at this one also, NZD USD. This USD has this. Okay, this number is for USD. And then look at this. This is NZD CAD. This number you are seeing right here is for CAD. Okay, so the quote currency are the ones that has all of these numbers. Okay, the second currency, when they are compared together, the second currency is the reason why this number is showing here. Okay, so what this simply mean is that for you to get one of these, this is what you need. This is the amount of quote you need. Okay, so here for you to get 1 GBP, you need $1.2569 to get 1 GBP. Okay, so let's use this for another example. Let's make this as our second example. We have NZD USD. Okay, so to get 1 NZD, that is New Zealand dollar. To get 1 NZD, you need $0.5879. Okay, so that is the difference between our base and quote currency. Guys, I hope you understand this. This is very easy. This is very, very easy. This is so easy. Okay, like there's nothing complicating about this. So here we have AUDCAD. Now I want you to point out the base, the difference. Which one is the base and which one is the quote? Don't worry, just write it on the chat room. Which one is the base? Which one is the quote? Okay, so obviously our AUD is the base, while our CAD is the quote. Okay, the first currency when currencies are paired together, the first currency is the base currency, while the second currency is the quote currency. Okay, so here we have the Australian dollar. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't notice my screen was blank earlier. So let me just repeat the few things that I've said. So here we have the base currency and the quote currency. Okay, so just keep it in mind that the first currency is the base currency, while the second currency is the quote currency. Okay, the first currency is the base currency and the second currency is the quote currency. So here we have AUD CAD. This is Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. Okay, so our AUD, our Australian dollar here is our base because it's the first. Okay, and then our CAD, that is the Canadian dollar, is the second and is our quote. Okay, so what this simply means is that for you to get one. Now if you want to, if you have CAD, that is Canadian dollar. Okay, now Canadian dollar is how much here? Our Canadian dollar is 0 point, look at this number right here. Okay, so our Canadian dollar is 0.8697. Okay, the Canadian dollar is 0.8697. So what this simply means is that, let's assume that you want to buy one of this AUD now. Okay, you have Canadian dollar, and then you want to buy Australian dollar. Now, for you to get one of these Australian dollar, you need 1.8697 Canadian dollars. Okay, I hope you guys understand the examples I'm making. Okay, so let's use another pair. Let's use another pair. So here we have Euro GBP. Okay, we have Euro GBP. Okay, so now, can you tell me the difference? Which is the base currency and which is the quote currency? Anyone? Which is the base currency here and which is the quote currency? So obviously here, our euro is our base currency, while the GBP is the quote currency for this. Okay. Remember I said the first currency is the base currency, while the second currency is the quote currency. Okay. And to get 1 euro, this is the amount of GBP you need. Okay. To get one of this euro, 1 euro, you need 0.8531 GBP. That means you need 0.8531 pound to get 1 euro. Okay, so that's just it, guys. I hope you are following. You see, this is why I said you need your pen. It's very important. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on now. So and then in forex trading, we have what we call the brokers. Okay, we have who we call the brokers. Now, who are the brokers? The brokers are like the intermediary. Okay, remember, if you want to, if you have US dollars with you right now and you want to exchange into Nigerian naira, where do you go to? You go to Bureau de Change. Yeah, you go to Bureau de Change, or you go to Aboki, Abi, to make your exchange to your local currency. Okay, but in forex trading, since forex is done online, forex is done online. Okay, so you don't need Aboki because this is not a manual stuff. Okay, it's programmed online. Look at this. Look at this. This is online, isn't it? So this is our chart. This is all you need to start trading the forex market. Your chart is what you need. Okay, so now this thing is done uh automatically, and then you need the brokers. You need the brokers. Anytime you place a trade, your brokers are the one that takes the order from you. Okay, so if this market right now, if I place a buy trade because I saw this, two bullish candle, that is two candles going up. So if I say here right now that this market is buying and I'm buying, there's another person that is selling. Okay, there's another person somewhere that is selling. So they'll take my order and they'll take that other person's order, okay, and switch it for the both of us. Okay, so that is what the brokers, that is what they do. That is their own job. Okay, they have provided that platform where you can start trading. And let me show you my BtcDana screen. So BtcDana is a brokerage app. Okay, it's a trading app, because here you can buy or sell any pair. Okay, you can buy or sell any pair, and they have so many assets. That is why I so love them. Okay, that is why I prefer them than any other broker out there. Okay, so you see, they have so many, whichever asset you want to trade, be it the forex, the crypto, the metals, anyone you want to trade, they have so many assets that you can trade from. Okay, um, and their app is very secure. You don't have to worry about anything. Your deposits are secure. Your trading is secure. Okay. There's nothing like manipulation. I know if you are here and you are maybe an intermediary, you have so little experience about forex trading. You must have heard about other traders talking about manipulation, this and that, and so on and so forth. Here, there's nothing like that. Okay, and they have a very beautiful spread. Their spread is zero. Don't worry, we'll get to spread very soon, and you understand what I mean by spread. And there you understand why I'm using BtcDana. Okay, so but all I want you to concentrate on right now is that is what this app is all about. Okay, it's a trading application. Okay, so it's a brokerage company, and what they do is when you fund your account, you can leave you can place a trade. Either you are buying or you are selling. Their own job is when you place a buy trade, they give there's another person selling as at that moment. Okay, and then they switch your orders. Okay, they give you, since you are buying, they will give you what you want to buy, and then they will give the person what you are selling to the person. It's just as simple as that. Okay, so now moving on. We have what we call pips in the forex market. Okay, we have what we call pips. Let me go back to the white screen where you can see the market very well, so that I'll be able to show you. Okay, so we have what we call pips. So here I'll just make a brief example for you guys. Let's use clock as an example. Okay, so on a clock where you look at your time, okay, on a clock where you look at time, you see okay, so when you want to calculate your time, how do you calculate time? You simply say 60 seconds make 1 minute, right? 60 seconds make 1 minute. Now in forex trading we have pips. Okay, and then we have pipettes, so, or point. Okay, we can call it pipette, we can call it point. Now I want you to take a look at these figures. At the back you see something that looks like raised to power. You see here we have 1.0853 raised to power 6. Okay, that is not raised to power. Okay, that is point. Okay, that is point. So before this last digit, if you count from here right now, okay, let's use this instead. Since we can't see this clearly, let's use this instead. Okay, let's use this. So look at this right here. Here we have oh wait, let me make something better than this. Yeah, let's use this. This will be far better. Come on. Okay. Okay. So here, look at these numbers right here. Okay. Look at these numbers right here. So this is how you count your pips in the forex market. Okay. Just as you count your seconds, okay, to make 1 minute. This is how you count your pips. Your pip is always the fourth digit after the decimal point. Okay, I hope you can see this clearly. You see here we have 1.25821. Okay, what is the fourth digit after the decimal point? The fourth digit here is the 2. Okay, is this 2 right here. Okay, that is our fourth digit. If you count it after this one, we have this one here. Then we have the point. Okay, then after the point we have 25821, right? Now count the fourth digit after the point. After this point now, we have 2, which is our number 1 digit. Then we have the 5, which is our number 2 digit. Then we have the 8, which is our number 3 digit. Then we have the 2, which is our number 4 digit. The fourth digit right here is our pips. Okay, the fourth digit right here is our pip. So this pip is like the minute in time. Okay, when you're calculating, your time. When you're calculating your time, you say 60 seconds make 1 minute, right? So this 2 right here is our minute. Okay, it's our pips. So minute, can also be referred to as, the pip in forex trading. Okay, and then the last digit here, which is our no our 1, is our pipette. So you can either call it pipette or a point. Okay, and just as your time, as your seconds, your 60 seconds make 1 minute, here 10 points make 1 pip. Okay, 10 points make 1 pip. So this has to go 10. Okay, this is just 1 now. It has to go, 10 times before this can change. Okay, before this 2 can change to 3. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. Don't worry, you don't need to pay too much attention to this. In time, you understand how this works. Okay, but for now, just know the difference. Just know that if you want to calculate your pips, anybody can just come and say, Shebi, you say you know how to trade forex. Shebi, you say you know forex. Oh yeah, come and show me where the pip is. What is the pip in this, current price right now? So, after this, you can boldly tell the person that the pip is the fourth digit after the decimal point. And what is our fourth digit here? That is our 2. Okay, our 2 right here is the fourth digit. And here we have another. Okay, we have the fourth digit right here is the 6. Yeah, the fourth digit after the decimal point right here is the 6, and 6 here is our pip. The 0 here is our pipette. Okay, so that is just the difference between the pip and the pipette, and that is how to know, your pip. So the currencies had the currencies are always sorry, the pip in currencies are always the fourth digit after the decimal place, after the decimal point. Okay, but there's an exemption to this. There's an exemption to this. The exemption is the pairs that are associated with the JPY. Okay, any pair that is associated with the JPY is different. Any pair that is associated with the JPY is different. Here we have AUD JPY. Okay, we have CAD JPY. We have CHF JPY. You see these JPYs, their own is different. Okay, their own is different. Now let me show you. Let me show you how they are different. So here you see, we have 2 digits. Guys, can you see this? On our previous example, we have just 1 digit. Then we have the decimal point. Yeah. Then we have 4 digits after, we have like 5 digits after the decimal point. But here you see we have 2 digits before the decimal point. Okay, so how do we calculate our pip in this case? And this is only for the JPY pairs. Okay, so any pair that is associated with the JPY, this is how they looks like. Okay, but don't worry. The second to the last digit here is our pip. Okay, that is the second digit after the decimal point. Okay, all you have to do is just concentrate on the decimal point. Then the second digit after the decimal point on the in this case is our pip. The last digit doesn't change. The last digit is still our pipette. Okay, or our point, and it's still the same thing. We need 10 points to make 1 pip. Okay, here the same thing. Here our pip is the fourth is 4. Okay, our pip here is 4, and this 7 here is our pipette. That is all you have to concentrate on when it comes to pip and pipette. Guys, I hope you are jotting this down, and I hope you are getting it. Okay, so that is all for pip and pipette. Okay, I believe right now, if you see pip, if anybody asks you to calculate pip for them, you can easily calculate it now. Yeah. Okay. So and then we have what we call the spread in the forex market. Okay, we have what we call spread. Let me just write it out. So we have spread. Okay, we have spread. We have spread. This is how spread is spelled. Okay. So now what is a spread? A spread is the difference between a bid price and ask price. Okay. The bid price and ask price. You see, on your forex chart, there's always two lines. Okay. There's always two lines. Look at here. Look at this right now. Concentrate on this chart right now. You see this red and blue. Okay. We have the red here at the top. Then we have the blue just below it. Okay. This red here, the one at the top, is our bid price. Okay. It's our bid price. And this below is our ask price. Okay. The bid price is always at the top, while the ask price is always below it. Okay. And now, how do you calculate your spread? Your spread is simply this gap between them is our spread. Okay, this gap between them is our spread. Now, if we go back to our BtcDana trading application, let's go back to the application and let me show you something. If you remember, that I said they have low spread. They have low spread. When I was introducing you to the app, I said BtcDana has low spread, and that is why I so love them. Okay, I said they have low spread, and that is why I so love them. Sorry, guys, just a moment. Okay, so now go to your BtcDana trading application and look at this. Look at this. So here you see, when I show you the previous chart, you see there were two lines. Yeah, the one was above and the other one was below. And I said the one above is our bid price, while the one below is our ask price. Okay, but here on BtcDana you can't see them. Okay, you can't see it. Why? Why? Because you see that spread, um, though it's the difference between the ask price and the bid price, but it also serves as a commission for a broker. Okay, it also serves as commission, the commission they take in order for them to place your trade. Okay, so when you have a wider spread, that means um, your brokerage company is charging you more. Okay, that means the company is charging you high. But here you can't even see it. Okay, it's zero spread. That means they don't charge you. Okay, they charge you only for they have their own way of charging. Okay, but they don't take spread from you. Okay, other brokers will charge you for spread and they will still charge you commission. All right, so that's just the difference. That is what a spread is. It is just the difference between the ask price and the bid price. All right. Okay, so let's go back to our chart and continue. So guys, I hope you understand what bid price and ask price means now. Okay, and what a spread is all about. Remember, the difference between this ask price and the bid price right here is our spread. Okay, so on BtcDana, the way like I've shown you just now, you see we couldn't see this. Okay, so this right here, this is a wide spread. To me, this is a wide spread. So if I want to place order right here now, right now, they will charge me. Okay, and the amount they will be charging me, let's assume that I open a trade with 0.01 lot size. Okay, and then instead of my trade to start reading from that 0.01 lot size, you start seeing like -$1 instantly. That means they are charging for spread. Okay, they are charging for spread. So that means they are telling me that this gap right here, the difference between my bid price and my ask price is $1. You understand? So that is just the difference. But on BtcDana, there's nothing like that. So immediately you open your position, that is exactly how it's going to be. Okay, it's going to start from where you open it from. All right. So aside spread, we have leverage. All right. So leverage in forex is when your broker allows you to control a large forex position with a small deposit. Okay, they allow you to they magnify your deposit. So let's assume you deposit like $1,000 right now, and then another beautiful thing about BtcDana is they have a leverage of 1:500. Okay, 1:500. So the leverage there is the 500. Okay, and then we have what we call the margin. So the 1% that you are depositing is your margin. All right. So your margin is the 1,000. Okay. So take for example, you have $1,000 right now. I want to tell you the difference between the margin and the leverage. So assuming you have $1,000 in your account right now, and you want to trade. So let me go back to the chart so that I can show you this clearly. So assuming you have, let's use this. Assuming you have $1,000, $1,000 you want to trade with, and um, BtcDana is giving you 1:500 as your leverage. Okay, so this is your margin. This is the leverage. So just a moment, guys. Okay. So now let's assume that you have $1,000 that you want to deposit. Okay, you want to fund your account with $1,000. You want to fund your account with $1,000, and then your broker company is has a leverage of 1.500. Okay, 1:500. All right. On BtcDana, this is what BtcDana offers as their leverage, and this is very beautiful. Okay, so I'll tell you how beautiful it is. I'll explain everything to you so that you understand, the beauty in it. Now, what this means is that, on the norms, we are not supposed to be able to trade the forex market with $10, with $15, with $20. In fact, even up to 1,000, even $10,000. Yeah. So, but the brokers, they come up with, a way to magnify whatever we are depositing into their platform. Okay. So on BtcDana right now, whatever you are depositing, they are going to magnify it by 500. Okay, because you are not supposed to be able to trade with small amount of money. Back in the days, only the banks and big companies they are the only ones. In fact, a whole country, they are the only ones that are able to trade the forex market. So they have up to millions of dollars to invest in the forex market. But you as an individual, where do you want to get $1 million from to invest in the forex market, or $100,000? Where do you want to get it from? It's not possible. Okay, so but if you deposit small amount of money, your broker company, they magnify. Okay, so they make the forex world look at that amount that you are depositing. They make it look like as if you are depositing $500,000. Okay, that is what leverage means. Okay, so if you are having $1,000, your $1,000 here, there's also what we call margin. Okay, sorry, this wasn't spelled correctly. Margin is supposed to be MAR, then GIN, that is margin. Okay, so your margin is your 1%. And that is what this means. This is your own deposit or your one. Even if it is $100 that you are depositing, that is your own one. Okay, and they are going to magnify it by 500 times. Okay, so I hope you guys understand the difference between margin and leverage. Yeah, should we go on? Should we go on? If you have any question, you can ask me before we continue. All right. Okay. So I know some of us will be like, what if I'm having $100 account? Yes, it's the same thing. If you have $100 account, that means they are going to magnify your $100 to 500 to $50,000. Okay. So how do you calculate your leverage? Is you whatever you are depositing times the leverage. Okay, whatever you are depositing. So let's say you are depositing $100. Okay, let's say your own deposit is $100. You have $100 you want to deposit. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to times that $100 to the leverage the broker is offering you. Okay, so in this case, BtcDana is offering $500 leverage. Yeah. So what it means is you are going to times. Sorry. So what this means is you are going to times your $100 times okay $100 times 500. You see? Let me just make sure that this is showing clearly. Okay. So you have your $100. Okay, your $100 is the margin. Okay, and then the company is offering 1:500. Your margin is this one to 500. That means they are going to magnify it to $500. All right, so that you'll be able to trade the forex market. So this is your own $100, and this is the leverage. $100 times 500. Then you have 50,000 US dollars to trade. Okay, so this is not the money you'll be seeing. All right, this is done automatically, but they are going to magnify it so that you'll be able to trade the forex market. All right, so I hope you understand what margin and leverage means in the forex market now. I hope we all understand what margin and leverage means in the forex market. If you don't understand, you can actually signify, and I'll repeat the explanation that I've made here. Okay. So, but if you have no question, let's move on because we have limited time. All right, we have limited time. So, what is we had then in forex market we have what we call um, profit and loss. Okay, profit and loss. So, if you are speculating, let's assume that on this market right now, on this current market right now, you are speculating that this market is going to go up. Okay, because this market has been going up for long from here to here. This market has been going up. All right. So let's now say that you speculated that this market is going to continue to go up. And then it goes up, it moved up. That means you are making profit. Okay, because you said the market is going to go up and the market started going up. That means you are making profit. All right. And then if you say this market should, this market, if you are predicting that this market is going to continue to go up and then this market started coming down, that means you are losing. Okay, that is just the difference between profit and loss. Okay, so if you are saying the market is going to go up and the opposite is happening, that is the market is coming down instead of the upside that you predicted, so that means you are in loss. Okay, but if the market is going your way, that means you are making profit. All right, and on the BtcDana trading application, how do you know you are making profit and how do you know you are making loss? So if you come to let me show you the app again. Let me show you the BtcDana trading application and make the example from there. Okay, that would be much easier instead of just explaining. Okay, so now let me take my let me switch to my demo. Okay, okay, so let me switch to my demo. So let's assume that I want to trade this currency right now. So let me just sell. All right, let me sell and let me check my order. Okay, so you see, this is right now I'm losing. All right, how do I know I'm losing? It's in red color and it's showing me minus. Okay, so it's telling me that I'm losing this market. All right, this is how you know that you are losing. Though this it doesn't stay this way, so you might still be right, and it will take little time before it goes into profit. All right, but I'm just showing you how you can know how to know if you are on the losing market and if you are on a profit market. Okay, so if this market goes into profit right now, it will change to green color. Okay, it will change from this red to green, and here will turn plus, not minus anymore. That means you are making profit. All right, so I hope you guys understand now. That is how to know if you are making profit or loss in the forex market. So let me just bring back our uh, trading chart so that we can continue our lesson. So then we have what we call stop out. Okay, we have what we call stop out. So stop out is the point at which the broker starts closing your least profitable open positions. Okay, in order to free your margin. Okay, so every trader set their own stop out level. Okay, and at a BtcDana trading application, at BtcDana, you they have 30% stop out. All right, they have 30% stop out. So what this means is that if you are trading on a $100 account, all right, let's assume that you have a $100 account right now, and you are trading. So if you are trading and you lose up to $70, okay, that means you are having just 30%. So let's assume that you have multiple positions open. You have multiple positions open and you are losing. Let's say you have maybe like 5 positions open. Okay, you have five positions. The first one is losing maybe $40. The second one is losing maybe $10, $20. That is how much you are already losing $50 or $60, right? Oh, no, sorry. Let's say the first one is $30. The second one is 20. The fourth one is 10. Then the fifth one is 5. How much are you losing in total out of $100? The first one is 30. The second one is 20. It's 20. 20 plus 30, that is 50. The third one is 10. 10 plus 50, that is 60. Then the fifth one is, let's say the fifth one is also 10. So 10 plus 60, that is 70. Now they are going to close the one that you are losing the most. That is the first one, the $30. Okay, they are going to close that one because you are already on a stop out level. Okay, your equity is already at the 30%. So they are going to start closing your orders. They are going to start closing that one, so and then they are free up your margin so that you will still be able to trade. All right. And again, when you keep accumulating, when you keep your remaining balance right now, maybe your remaining balance after closing the $30 is you still have a balance of let's say maybe $70. Okay, your equity is still around $70. Your balance is reducing, but your equity is still around $70. All right. Then if it keeps going, and then you still lose 70% of that $70, that is how they are going to keep stopping you out. Okay, that is how they are going to keep stopping you out. So it is a way of protecting your capital so that you don't lose everything at once. All right. So that is what stop out means. Guys, I hope you guys are paying attention, and I hope you are comprehending the explanations. Okay. Then we have what we call the lot size. Okay. We have what we call the lot size. So the lot size represents the amount of the currency pair that you are buying or selling. Okay. So I just want to make sure that you guys are getting this. That is why you see me switching the applications and everything. Okay, I want to make sure that you understand exactly what I'm teaching you. All right. So here right now, this is what a lot size looks like. So let's assume I want to buy. You see, you see where volume is written on this volume. Okay, all of this right here, this is our volume. Okay, you can call it volume, you can also call it lot size. Okay, the general name in the forex market is lot size. Okay, here on BtcDana they name it as volume, it doesn't matter. Okay, most trading applications you see, yeah, volume. Okay, but it's also lot size. So when anybody say, let me use 0.01 lot size, they still mean this volume. Okay, let me use 0.1. Okay, and if you have a small account, you obviously want to use the smallest lot size. Okay, so you increase lot size as your account increases, as you make good profits. Okay, so if you're having below $100, you want to stick to 0.01. If you have up to like maybe $200, $500, then you can start using 0.1. Okay, if you have up to $1,000, you can start using one lot size. All right, so this is what lot size looks like. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, please feel free to ask me before we continue. Okay, if you have any question whatsoever, feel free to ask me before we continue. If you have any question whatsoever, feel free to ask me before we continue. So for our newbie, I don't want to rush this session. Okay, I don't want to rush things. So tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day. By tomorrow, I'll be diving deep into how to start trading. So here right now, what we did today is just the theoretical aspect. Uh, things you need to start trading the forex market. Okay, and I'm doing this because you are hearing forex, you've heard about forex, and this is the first time you actually see somebody talking about it. Okay, lecturing you, educating you about it. So that is why I've decided to actually start it from right from the beginning. Okay, where you need to start from so that you understand as you progress. All right. So, and then we have a signal channel. All right. So on this signal channel, what we do is we provide signals, because on this platform we don't just want you to learn. All right. I've make sorry guys, just a second please. So I try to make um, these sessions fun and educative. Okay, I try to make it fun and educating. That is why I you know divided the session into two. So I have the afternoon session and then the evening session. All right, the afternoon session is for money making. All right, so the afternoon session is for money making, is the money making session, and then this evening session is the learning session. All right, and those two sessions, aside these two sessions, we have a signal group. All right. We want to make this platform as fun as possible. That is why we have the Signal group. What do we do on this Signal group? On the Signal group, just as we have the afternoon session where we make money, on the Signal group, it doesn't have to be just on the live session. Okay. So on the Signal group, we also make money. All right. So I drop Signal, the same Signal that I drop on the live stream in the afternoon. I drop, such signals. When I see the opportunity, I drop it on the premium group. And if you're on the premium group, you take the trade and you make money. Then in the evening session, you come to the evening session to learn about forex trading. All right. So I want to make this live streaming as fun as possible. All right. So let's just say on this platform, you learn and earn at the same time. All right. You are learning how to trade the forex market and you are earning at the same time. So I don't want it to be boring. I don't want it to be just learning. All right. I want it to be fun. I want it to be there will be a specific time where you are learning, when you are learning, and there will be another time when you are making money. All right. So the afternoon session is the main money making aspect, and then the evening session is for learning. And then that is why I have that channel, because I know that it's not going to be easy for everybody to come on live, and the live is just for 1 hour. Okay, the afternoon session is just 1 hour. So there's no way we want to acquire as much profit as possible on the afternoon session. That is why we have the premium channel. Okay, so on that premium group, I drop signals every time. Every time I see the opportunity, I drop it. And you as a trader, what you do is you utilize this signal. All right. So let me show you how you can utilize the signal, how you can interpret a signal. So this is how I drop signals. Okay, this is how the signals look when I'm dropping them on the premium group. I'm doing this right now because if you want to deposit right now, if you want to get into the premium group, you have to fund your account with $15. Okay, you have to fund your account with $15. So if you fund your account with $15 right now, I'll get you into the premium group. All right. If you fund your account with $15 on this live stream, and guys, please mind you, it has to be on this live stream. Okay. If you are funding, it has to be on this live stream. If you don't deposit the $15 on this live stream, it's not. I'm not going to count it. Okay. This live stream is the only way I can be sure that yes, you fund your account. All right. So it's a way of appreciating what I'm doing here also. Okay. I want to see that seriousness in you. I want to know that you really mean business. You want to make money in the forex market. All right. So for me to get you into the premium group, deposit up to $15. Okay. So I get you into the premium group after depositing the $15, and then you have access to premium signals and market reports. All right. And if you have the power to deposit up to $200, you have even more benefits. Okay, and the benefit of depositing up to $200, aside the fact that you'll be getting premium signals and market report, you also get private trading class. Okay, a 1 hour Zoom session with me. All right, and on that Zoom session, that is where I'll be teaching you everything that you need to know, things that you haven't heard from anybody anywhere before. Okay, so just imagine having a one-on-one session, a 1 hour session with me. All right. Imagine what you can learn from me if you have a 1 hour session with me. So those are the benefits. Guys, please, this is very important. All right. Things are so hard right now that even if you have something that is already fetching you money, as far as it is one stream of income, guys, seriously, it's not easy. Okay. It's not easy. So we all need different stream of income. And I'm telling you, Forex is the best way right now that anybody can make money. All right. So that is why I have decided that okay, on this platform, it's not just going to be learning. Okay, it's going to be making money and learning, making money and learning. All right. So if you join the premium channel, that is where you make even more money. All right. And for you to join, just deposit $15 on this live stream. And if you don't know how to deposit, go to the chat room right now. Okay, go to the chat room. You see a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Deposit with benefits. Okay, you click on that banner and it will take you to this screen. Okay, let me just bring out the slide for you to see. So it will take you here. It will take you to bank transfer. Okay, it will take you to bank transfer. All right, and when you click on the bank transfer, it will bring you to where you can enter the amount you want to deposit. All right, so after entering the amount you want to deposit, click on deposit now. All right, when you click on the deposit now, it's going to bring out this warning for you. So what this means is that they are going to generate an account details that you are going to be sending the amount. That is, if you enter $15 here, it will give you the equivalent in naira, and you'll be seeing it just below it. Okay, so click copy the equivalent, and send the money to this account that is being generated for you. All right, the warning here is that this account generated for you can only be used once. Okay, so yeah, if you read the warning, it says the deposit information is valid for one time only. Please do not transfer multiple times, or else your deposit might fail. All right, so what I do is, whenever I want to make a new deposit, after making the deposit, I don't save these account numbers. Okay, guys, please, I know some of us are fond of saving account numbers. You'll be like, let me save the company account number so that whenever I want to fund, I'll just use it sharply. Okay, please don't save this account number. Okay, this account details generated right here, don't save them. This account details is for one time use only. So after using it, even if you want to deposit another one instantly, go and repeat the whole process from the beginning. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. All right, and let me just quickly show you how you can interpret a signal before we round up this session. We are already over our limit. All right, so this is how the signals are going to be interpreted. This is how the signals are going to look like in the premium group. All right, and this is how you can interpret it. Now here we have a scalping trade. Okay, so what scalping trade mean is that this market is not going to go for long. All right, we have our TP and then we have our SL. This TP, what it means is take profit. All right, so let me take you to the BtcDana app after showing you this. Now what this signal is saying here is we have XAUUSD. Guys, please take a screenshot of this down, because this is what I'm going to be using when we go to our BtcDana app very soon. Okay, so here we have a signal, and the signal is XAUUSD gold. Okay, and what is the signal saying? The signal is saying sell. That means sell gold now. Okay, sell now. And this sell now, this is the price. Okay, this is the price that I want you to start selling the gold from. All right, when I say sell now, don't worry about this price. Okay, when I say sell now, the only time you have to worry about this price is maybe you are seeing this signal, maybe like after 15 minutes, after 5 minutes that I posted it. Okay, you want to check the price and see if the market doesn't move too much. All right, and then we have the TP and the stop loss. Okay, the TP is the take profit, while the stop loss is why the SL is the stop loss. All right, now let me take you to the BtcDana trading application and show you how you can do all of these on the app. Let me take you there and show you how you can do all of this on the app. Now the signal is XAUUSD, right? XAUUSD. So this is XAUUSD gold. XAUUSD. Click on it, and that is the signal. Okay, that is the market we want to start selling, and the signal said sell, right? So this is how you sell. You see we have a buy here, then we have the sell here. So you click on sell because the signal said sell. All right, then look at this, we have the SL and the TP. All right, you click on this button right here, and then it pops out where you can enter the TP and the SL. Okay, so you just copy the SL. Remember, there were numbers in front of the SL and the TP. So just copy the SL and the TP and enter it. Okay, enter it perfectly the way they are. Okay, so look at it. All you have to do is just delete this and then enter whatever the SL is. Okay, if the SL is like this, enter it and then enter the TP also. Okay, so after entering the SL and the TP, then you click on the sell. All right, and then your order will start, will get executed. Okay, so I hope you understand how to enter the market now, how to interpret a signal. All right, so guys, it is this is very easy. All right, this is very easy. And if you paid attention to everything that I've been explaining rather, um, you won't find it difficult. All right, you won't find this difficult. It's very easy and straightforward. Okay, so guys, I think we should stop here for this evening, and we'll continue tomorrow on our evening session. Okay, we'll continue from where we stop tomorrow. Continue from where we stop today on tomorrow's evening session. Okay, guys. So if you have any question, let me just give you guys 3 minutes to ask me before I close for today. So let me give you guys 3 minutes for you to ask. So, all right, guys. If there's no question, I think we are gonna end this live stream, this evening live stream right here, right now. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow afternoon. Please go and get your real account ready. Fund the account with $15. Okay. So tomorrow afternoon is gonna be beautiful. I hope you guys saw what we did this afternoon. Okay, we made profit from our live trade this afternoon. All right, we traded good and we were able to close some positions in profit. All right. So go and fund your account and make sure you are funding up to $15 so that you can be qualified to get into my premium group. All right. So guys, please let's end it here for today, and then we'll continue tomorrow. So have a blessed evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.